Hi, I'm Craig, and here with me is Clark and Kristel. And today we are going to explain an experiment about smoking.
So, Craig and Clark, what are your thoughts about smoking?
For me, all I know is that it's unhealthy for the smoker and for the person who's inhaling the secondhand smoke.
I think it's also addictive because of the nicotine, and it also causes pollution.
Our experiment is related to smoke from cigarettes. Have you wondered how smoke, when diffused, reacts with water, if it dissolves or not?
This is interesting.
So without further ado, let's get started.
First, let us gather all the materials needed to make an improvised smoke machine. We will need an empty bottle, cigarette, driller, straw, cotton, and a match. Then on the empty bottle, drill a hole on its cap and on the lower side of the bottle. Insert the straw on the bottom side of the bottle and make sure to seal it so there would be no leaks. Temporarily cover its hole and fill 3/4 of the bottle with water. Place enough cotton to hold itself on the top or opening of the bottle, then cover it with the bottle cap. Place the cigarette in the hole of the bottle cap and light it. Remove the cover in the straw and let the water flow. Observe the smoke inside the bottle.
When the cigarette is lit inside the bottle with water, a cloud is formed inside. When we check the cotton, it has a yellowish brown stain as some of the particles are stuck on it, and you could call this the insoluble particulate matter. Smoke formation occurs when the cigarette is lit and a puff is taken, or when the cigarette smolders between puffs. Mainstream smoke is released from the butt of the burning cigarette during puffing, and side stream smoke emanates from the burning cigarette coal when it smolders. The air in the immediate vicinity of an active smoker contains a mixture of side stream smoke, exhaled mainstream smoke, and any smoke that passes through the porous paper surrounding the tobacco.
It can be observed that after the smoke was absorbed by the cotton and the bottle, their colors changed into a yellowish brown. This can be explained by the presence of nicotine. The chemical composition of nicotine is C10H14 N2. When oxygen reacts with nicotine in an incomplete combustion, the byproducts will be carbon in the form of soot, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and nitrogen.
The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency classified environmental tobacco smoke as one of the most dangerous cancer-causing agents in humans, and nicotine is the main component of tobacco that makes smoking addictive and toxic. Carbon monoxide, which at high dosages can be lethal. A heavy smoker takes in around 75 parts per million or ppm of carbon monoxide. At 150 ppm, carbon monoxide can cause nausea and impaired mental function after 2 to 6 hours of exposure. And at 400 ppm, there is a risk of death after 3 hours of exposure.
Other toxic chemicals found in cigarettes are hydrogen cyanide, benzene, formaldehyde, phenol, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, tobacco-specific nitrosamines.
Smoking severely affects our health. According to CDC, secondhand smoke exposure alone contributes to approximately 41,000 deaths among non-smoking adults and 400 deaths in infants each year. Smoking also causes cancer, heart disease, stroke, lung diseases, diabetes, and also increases risk for tuberculosis, certain eye diseases, and problems of the immune system.
To conclude, with the experiment and evidences that we have presented, smoking cigarettes is unhealthy and is a dangerous habit and is highly discouraged.